Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to manage Google Calendar permissions. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Google Calendar? It is simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into your customized homepage. I'd like you to know that Google Calendar is already integrated into your Google account. So if you have a Google account already set up in your PC, then signing in to Google Calendar is hassle-free and automatic. So now during this homepage, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to manage Google Calendar permissions, which you can only do in the Google Calendar web app. From this home screen, head over to the left navigation panel where you have your calendar. So move over to the My Calendars category and search for any calendar that you would like to tweak or make changes to. This is the first calendar, and we have this three dots menu right here. Click on that, and that takes you here where you have display this only and settings and sharing. Click on settings and sharing, and that takes you right into this window. The next thing that you would like to click on is access permissions for events. Now click on that, and that takes you right into this category. Now make available to public. You can decide if you want to make available to public or if you want to make it private. So let's say you want to make it private, and making your calendar public rather, will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. So you can just do that. Okay. And then see all event details, so you can get shareable link if you want to. And then the next thing is share with specific groups of people. Now you can add people or groups that you want to share to. But then if you want to manage permissions, this is where you head to. Access permissions for events. Here we can make it public or you can make it private. So check see all event details, or you can allow the public to see all event details, or you can allow the public to see only free and busy ones, so you can hide details. So only see free or busy, or you can see all event details. So here you can just manage your permissions. So make it public, or if you just toggle that off, you can make it private. That's pretty much the process. I'm just toggling it off because I want it to be private. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.